Wood finishing is both an art and a science, transforming raw timber into beautiful, functional pieces. The process not only protects the wood from daily wear and tear but also enhances its natural grain, color, and character, revealing the unique story within each piece of lumber. Yet, no matter how expertly finished, wood surfaces inevitably face the effects of time and use. Scratches, dents, fading, and watermarks can all mar the appearance of cherished furniture and architectural details, making them look tired and worn. Touch-up and restoration techniques are designed to address this damage, breathing new life into wood surfaces. Instead of replacing entire pieces, skilled restorers can target problem areas, reviving the original beauty and integrity of the wood with minimal intervention. The ultimate goal is to blend repairs so seamlessly that they become invisible to the naked eye. A successful restoration is one where the repair disappears, leaving only the beauty of the wood. Restoration is about more than just looks. It preserves the structure and value of wood, preventing small issues from turning into major, costly problems. This approach extends the life of treasured items, whether they're family heirlooms or everyday furniture. Choosing restoration over replacement is a sustainable, cost-effective solution. It honors the original craftsmanship and the material itself, reducing waste and supporting eco-friendly practices. Restoration can be as simple as filling in minor scratches and blemishes with wax sticks or fillers, or as complex as replicating intricate wood grain patterns and matching subtle color variations to achieve a flawless finish. This process demands not only technical skill, but also a keen artistic eye and a deep understanding of wood's unique properties. Today's restorers draw on centuries-old techniques, using hand tools, stains, and finishes passed down through generations, while also embracing modern tools and materials. They adapt to new challenges, such as environmental regulations and the need for safer, greener products. Innovations like advanced chemical formulas and digital color matching aids make restoration faster, more precise, and environmentally responsible, ensuring the best possible results for both people and the planet. The field is constantly evolving, blending the wisdom of old-world craftsmanship with the efficiency and precision of new technology. Thanks to these advances, wooden objects can be preserved more effectively, responsibly, and beautifully than ever before, ensuring they last for generations to come. The future of wood finishing is a dynamic mix of tradition and innovation, promising a new era of sustainable, beautiful restoration for all kinds of woodwork. Restoring wood begins with a careful and thorough assessment of the piece. The first step is always cleaning, removing layers of dirt, old wax, and polish that have built up over time. This not only reveals the true condition of the wood, but also ensures that any repairs you make will properly adhere to the surface. Take your time with this process, using a soft cloth and a gentle cleaner to avoid damaging the wood further. Once the surface is clean, it's time to evaluate the damage. Look closely. Are you dealing with light scratches, deeper gouges, or areas of discoloration? Each type of damage requires a different approach, so it's important to identify the problem before moving forward. For minor scratches, a touch-up marker or wax stick can work wonders. These tools are designed to blend seamlessly with the wood's color, making small imperfections nearly disappear. Gently apply the product, then buff the area to a soft sheen. Deeper damage, such as gouges or chips, calls for a more involved repair. Use wood putty or epoxy to fill the damaged area, carefully shaping it to match the original contour. Allow it to cure fully, then sand the repair smooth so it blends with the surrounding wood. One of the most challenging steps is color matching. Mixing stains and pigments to replicate the original finish takes patience and a keen eye. Test your stain on a hidden area or scrap piece first, adjusting the color until it's just right. To recreate the wood's natural grain, use specialized tools like graining pens and fine brushes. Carefully mimic the original pattern, layering colors and lines to achieve a realistic effect. This step can make the difference between an obvious repair and a flawless restoration. Throughout the process, check your work under different lighting conditions. Natural and artificial light can reveal inconsistencies in color and texture, so take your time and make adjustments as needed. Patience and attention to detail are essential for a seamless blend. Once you're satisfied with the repair, it's time to seal and protect your work. Apply a protective topcoat such as lacquer, varnish, shellac, or polyurethane to match the original sheen and safeguard the wood from future damage. Use careful, even brush strokes to blend the new finish with the existing one. This final step ensures the repair is not only durable but also visually harmonious with the rest of the piece. After the top coat has fully cured, the repair should be strong, long-lasting, and nearly invisible to the untrained eye. Each step in this process is crucial for achieving a flawless result, so don't rush. Take pride in your craftsmanship. With patience and care, your wooden piece can be restored to its former glory, with all signs of damage beautifully erased and the natural beauty of the wood shining through once again. Digital technology is revolutionizing the world of wood restoration, bringing a wave of innovation to a craft that has long relied on traditional skills and manual techniques. Today, restorers are equipped with a new generation of tools that are changing the way we approach damaged or aging wood surfaces. Portable spectrophotometers and smartphone apps now deliver precise color matching, eliminating guesswork, and ensuring that repairs blend seamlessly with original finishes. These devices analyze the wood's color and grain, allowing restorers to recreate exact shades and tones, even on rare or exotic woods. UV curable coatings are another breakthrough. These advanced finishes cure instantly under ultraviolet light, dramatically speeding up projects and offering exceptional durability with low VOCs. This means restorers can work more efficiently, while also reducing environmental impact and exposure to harmful chemicals. Micro airbrush systems and precision touch-up pens allow for incredibly fine, controlled repairs on small areas. These tools make it possible to address tiny scratches, chips, or blemishes with a level of detail that was once impossible, preserving more of the original material. With these innovations, even the smallest flaws can be fixed quickly and invisibly, restoring the beauty and integrity of valuable pieces without extensive intervention. Perhaps the most futuristic advance is 3D wood grain printing. This technology allows restorers to recreate missing or damaged sections with astonishing accuracy, matching not just the color but the texture and pattern of the original wood. High-resolution scanners capture the unique grain patterns, and 3D printers produce seamless patches that fit perfectly, even in cases of severe damage. This opens up new possibilities for restoring pieces that might once have been considered beyond repair. These innovations make restoration faster, more accurate, and more sustainable than ever before. They also help preserve the character and history of each piece, ensuring that craftsmanship is honored while embracing the benefits of modern science. Technology is expanding what's possible in wood repair, empowering artisans to tackle challenges that once seemed insurmountable and to push the boundaries of what restoration can achieve. Restorers can now achieve results that were once unimaginable, bringing new life to treasured objects and architectural details with unmatched precision. The craft is entering a new era of precision and creativity, where tradition and technology work hand in hand to preserve the beauty of wood for generations to come. The wood finishing industry is shifting toward environmental responsibility, led by water-based finishes. Regulations on VOC emissions have driven innovation away from traditional solvent-based products. Modern water-based polyurethanes now rival solvent-based finishes in durability and appearance. They offer low VOCs, minimal odor, quick drying, and easy cleanup. Consumers increasingly demand sustainable, non-toxic products for their homes. Water-based finishes are ideal for on-site work, causing less disruption. The industry is also exploring bio-based polyurethanes and powder coatings for even greener solutions. These advances are making wood finishing cleaner and more versatile. The green revolution is reshaping the market and setting new standards. Sustainability and performance now go hand in hand. Despite the rise of water-based products, oil-based finishes remain vital for certain projects. Their deep penetration, smooth finish, and durability make them favorites for high-end furniture and historic restoration. Techniques like French polishing and hand-rubbed oil finishes rely on these traditional materials. Oil-based finishes offer unique warmth and resistance to heat and chemicals, though they amber over time. Regulatory pressure and consumer demand for low VOC products are shifting oil-based finishes to a niche role. Hybrid and low VOC formulations are emerging, blending tradition with innovation. Oil-based finishes will continue to be essential for specialized applications. Industry giants like Sherwin-Williams, AkzoNobel, PPG, and BASF are driving the shift to sustainable wood finishes. Major investments like AkzoNobel's expansion in Italy boost production of eco-friendly coatings. Sherwin-Williams Fernie FirePro combines waterborne technology with fire-retardant properties, meeting multiple market needs. These companies set new standards influencing the entire supply chain. Their focus on water-based and sustainable technologies accelerates industry-wide change. Innovation is now a competitive necessity, pushing all players to improve. The market's rapid evolution is fueled by these leaders' commitment to sustainability. Their actions ensure a greener, more advanced future for wood finishing. Stricter regulations worldwide are steering the wood finishing industry towards sustainability. VOC limits from agencies like the EPA and REACH force manufacturers to innovate and reformulate. Compliance is mandatory. Failure means fines and restricted sales. This has led to a shift toward water-based, UV curable, and powder coatings. Professionals must adapt to new products and techniques, prioritizing safety and environmental impact. Regulations drive continuous R&D, keeping cleaner finishes a top priority. The rules also raise awareness about workplace safety and eco-friendly practices. Global standards are emerging as companies prefer products that can be sold worldwide. The regulatory push is aligning the industry with global sustainability goals. The future of wood restoration blends advanced technology with timeless craftsmanship. AI-powered tools will soon analyze wood and recommend perfect repairs. Automation may handle repetitive tasks, freeing artisans for creative work. Smart materials like self-healing top coats and nanotech finishes will offer new levels of protection and functionality. Sustainability will deepen with biodegradable and recyclable finishes becoming standard. Companies will minimize waste and energy use, focusing on full life cycle assessments. Craftsmen will remain essential, using technology to enhance their artistry. The human touch, blending repairs, understanding history, will be more valuable than ever. Technology will empower, not replace, traditional skills. The next generation of restorers will be true digital artisans. As wood finishing evolves, education and skill development are more important than ever. Modern craftsmen must master both traditional techniques and new technologies. Training now includes digital color matching, advanced coatings, and sustainable practices. Online learning and updated curricula keep professionals current. Preserving old-world skills like French polishing is crucial, even as innovation accelerates. Mentorship ensures the craft's depth and soul endure. The best restorers blend 19th century tools with 21st century tech. The field offers a unique mix of art, science, and purpose. The green revolution gives craftsmen a chance to create responsibly. Lifelong learning will keep wood finishing thriving for generations.